In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly on WordPress 2025 5 minutes. First, open your browser and head to calendly.com. Click Login, then enter the email address tied to your Calendly account and select Continue. On the next screen, type your password and continue to sign in. If your account uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, just follow the prompts. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage where your event types are listed. Choose the specific event you want to embed on your website, click Share for that event, then select Add to Website. You'll see a few embed styles here. Choose Inline Embed so the scheduler appears directly on the page. Click Continue, and Calendly will generate a small snippet of code. Click Copy Code. This is the embed you'll paste into WordPress in just a moment. Quick tip, if you want the calendar to feel native to your site, the inline option is perfect because it blends with your page layout. Now switch over to your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Pages, then click Add Page. Give your page a clear descriptive title like Book a Meeting or Schedule a Call so visitors know exactly what it's for. In the editor, click the plus icon to add a new block. Search for and select the custom HTML block. This block lets you insert the exact embed code from Calendly without any extra plugins. Paste the Calendly code you copied into the custom HTML block. If you'd like to confirm the layout before publishing, click Preview to see how it will look on your site. You should see the embedded Calendly scheduler load right inside the page. If the calendar appears cut off or too tall, you can adjust the height value inside the code to better fit your theme's content area. Also check mobile preview to make sure it's responsive. Calendly's embed typically adapts well, but verifying helps you avoid surprises. When everything looks good, click Publish. Visit the live page to double-check the user experience from a visitor's perspective. Try selecting a date and time to confirm the booking flow works end-to-end. If you ever change your event in Calendly, like updating availability or questions, the embedded scheduler updates automatically, so there's no need to re-embed the code. That's it. You've successfully embedded your Calendly event on a WordPress page using the inline embed code. It's a simple, reliable way to let visitors schedule time with you without leaving your site. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.